4 Park Avenue is a 22-story building in the Murray Hill neighborhood of Manhattan in New York City. Designed by Warren and Wetmore, the structure was built for Alfred Gwynne Vanderbilt and opened in 1912 as a hotel. It is along the west side of Park Avenue between 33rd and 34th Streets. Following a renovation by Schuman, Lichtenstein, and Claman between 1965 and 1967, the top 18 stories have been used as residential apartments. The lowest 3 stories above ground, as well as 3 basement levels, are used as commercial space and carry an alternate address of 6 Park Avenue. As of 2021, the building is owned by the Feil Organization. 4 Park Avenue's facade was originally made of gray brick and white architectural terracotta. The facade of the lowest 4 stories dates from the 1960s renovation and is made of glass and steel. Above that, the building retains its original facade and has 2 light courts facing Park Avenue. The building has a steel superstructure and had mechanical equipment in its basements. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.